Hello guys, today I will show you all the smartphone functions for Samsung dryer DV90. So let's open the dryer in the application, SmartThings. If you're curious how to pair your device with this application, check our other video. Okay, now we can start from the select the cycle, the dryness level. You can also turn on the prevent wrinkles mode and the damp alert. In the remaining laundry, you can set the going out mode. You can also choose the dry planner, the dry receipt, and the auto cycle link. You can also download other cycles and manage the sound of your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.